In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Clutch account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in clutch.ca. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Clutch. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in or sign up for your account. You can log in with email or you can also sign in with Google or Facebook. So simply click on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So click on the field of email and enter the email address over here. Now after you enter the email address, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter the password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the password, click on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Clutch account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.